Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're still on the topic of trial. So in this scenario, I'm ready to conclude my direct examination of Tim on a custody matter. And it's going to be an original custody matter, and the same ending could be applied to a modification. So I'm going to ask Tim, so Mr. Sherlock, what are you asking the court to do?
I'm asking that the court grant me placement in custody of my child, visitation to be to the mother, alternating weekends as agreed upon during the week, that we co-parent, and that we come together on all decision-making as it revolves around educational, medical, and different factors that we would need for our child.
Okay,
now understand, that's just an example. There are many different variations that may suit your case better.
Right, and my next question, because Tim didn't hit on the topic of vacations or holidays, I would say, Mr. Sherlock, what are you going to ask the court to do, or what do you want the court to do in terms of holidays and vacation times?
And so one good thing, or one way that we do that, I would say, as far as summer vacation goes, I'm willing that the mother have 1 month during the summer and notify me in ample time ahead of that of when she's going to execute those visits. As far as holidays, I would request that I have Christmas in even years, and she have them in odd years, and we rotate between each holiday in that fashion. This year, Thanksgiving could be hers in even years, mine in odd, and I would break it down that way if I'm answering.
So remember this, if you're going into a trial, you at least need to know what you want as the final result. So if that means sitting down with your lawyer and crafting a proposed custody agreement, that way you'll have it. You can always ask the court to refer to it if you don't recall or can't remember. So you want to be specific. So just like Tim did, hey, I want custody, I want the mother to have visitation a month from the summertime, blah, blah, blah. Again, you're not going to know this if you're not prepared. So remember, in your trial, you must be prepared to tell the court what you want. So don't be blindsided by that question. You always will need to tell the court what you want. And the testimony behind it needs to back up what you want. So good luck, and remember, check out more of our videos and we'll explain to you more about crafting, a closing in terms of what you're going to tell the court what you want. All right. Have a nice day, and subscribe and like us and all that great stuff. Bye.